Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, I have told you many times that there is a heavy war on many fronts in the Amhara region, and the biggest fronts at the moment are the Dabet Gondar front and Valdia Desi front. And heavy fighting continues in many other places such as Dilanta. But now, according to several latest reports, at that time heavy war is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in Debre Zabit. Viewers, several sources claiming that the worst battle is going on in Debre Zabit and its surrounding areas. It is being said that the fight is very intense. Heavy weapons are being used from both sides. And a few days ago, Tigray Defense Force claimed to gain control of Debre Zabit, which is situated on the B22 highway. Then it was claimed by Ethiopian National Defense Force that the soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force, with the help of Amhara forces, have again taken control of Debre Zabit. But now reports are being received that Tigray Defense Force attacked Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allied soldiers in Debre Zabit, and now heavy war is going on in Debre Zabit and in its surroundings. Viewers, reportedly, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are trying to gain control over Debre Zabit. On the other hand, in the surroundings of Gondar, heavy fighting between the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and Tigray Defense Force ongoing. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers are trying to get control of Gondar as soon as possible. Viewers, but Gondar is an important place. There are huge numbers of Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces, and Amhara militia soldiers who are preventing Tigray Defense Force from moving towards Gondar. And according to reports, Ethiopian National Defense Force has also called 4 divisions of the Eritrean army to help them to prevent the Tigray Defense Force from growing towards Gondar and Desi, of which 2 divisions of Eritrean army are present at the place of Gondar, while 2 divisions are present at the Desi front. Yesterday, the Eritrean opposition party claimed that both the Eritrean divisions and several Ethiopian National Defense Force troops on the Desi front have been surrounded by Tigray Defense Force. While there are still reports from several sources that the war between the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and Tigray Defense Force is ongoing in the vicinity of Dessie, especially at Salula, and heavy weapons have been installed from both sides at these locations, which poses the risk of heavy loss during the war. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.